Hi, I'm Kate Crocker. I'm a website copywriter and a recent graduate of Kate Toon's Recipe for SEO Success course. In my line of work, it's really important to keep knowledge updated, and that was one of the main reasons why I enrolled in Kate's course. I was worried about the cost and I was also worried about the time commitment, but I listened to all the positive reviews left by copywriters before the course and just got on with it, took the leap and enrolled. And I can say it's been worth every cent. My knowledge now means that I have a much deeper understanding of SEO. I can offer a much better service to my clients, and that leads to a lot of repeat and referral business. And in fact, the course has already paid for itself. My own website was newly launched when I started the course, and it's shown steady improvements in SEO. And I'm really only just getting started with implementing everything I learned. So with the time commitment, one of the great things about this course is that it's self-paced, although new modules do open every week. So there's an element of accountability there too to keep you moving through and to make sure you actually do finish. So this was a really important thing for me to be able to keep my business going while I was studying, and I'm sure it's important to you too. So it's really hard to pinpoint just one thing that I liked about the course, but because there were so many. A sample, the coaching calls gave us access to Kate Toon's encyclopedic knowledge of SEO, and we had the ability to ask lots of questions and to tailor those questions to our own businesses and experiences. The structure of the course took you through everything from the basics to technical aspects to how to copyright for SEO and everything in between. The tasks were really practical and thoughtfully set out. So you do one task one week, you build on it with another task the following week, and you keep going. So by the end of the course, you'd already been working on your SEO for quite some time, and you also had a comprehensive plan of attack for the future. So that has been amazing. The Facebook study group has given extra support. The course is constantly updated, which is just absolutely essential for anything to do with SEO, because SEO updates all the time. So Kate and her team are constantly striving to improve and keep everything absolutely up to the minute. So that was amazing. And the lifetime access to the resources, so I can go back anytime and revise and review, learn again. So that just means that I've now got the ability to stay on top of all the latest and greatest in SEO, which means that I can provide a bucket load more value to my clients. So whether you're looking to do it yourself SEO or to improve the services that you offer to your clients, this course is brilliant. It may even be the best one out there. So if you're thinking about taking the leap, then I would just say, just take the leap. You won't regret it. You'll probably only wonder why you didn't do it sooner. So good luck.